Hi, I just thought I'll do a quick video demonstration of what I've understood the um, uh, linearity correction to be. So let's say this is the actual scale, the actual true isotopic scale, and there's one particular standard with, I'm just going to put that in red color. Let's say that's over here. Then there's another standard that's, I'm going to put that in green color. That's over here. And let me just throw in a blue color as well. I'll just put that here. And then, so this is the actual value of the red, green, and blue standards. And now on top of it, I'm going to put the scale that my mass spectrometer is tuned at. So I'm going to, let's say, the green standard, I'm going to get like 3 values for that. I'll just draw a few, like a cluster of 5 or 6 green dots over there. Then I'll just do a very quick, like a cluster of a few red dots, and then a very quick cluster of a few blue dots. So, and then the software is going to calculate a central value. And of course, we'll also have our own samples, right? So we'll just throw in, this is what's actually unknown to us. So I'm just doing that in black color. And then the software is going to sort of calculate an average of all these clusters and give you one value. It'll give you one value for all of this, and then it's like a mean value. And then, so that's my scale. And now when I run the software, I can see that it's offset a little bit. So what I'm essentially doing when I'm changing the values of the so-called house to gas on isodat software, when I'm changing its values, as far as I've understood, if my understanding is correct, what I'm essentially doing is I'm just sliding the scale at the bottom to match what I'm getting, so that I know that, oh, because I know the values of the red, green, and blue. I know the values of each of the standards, the green, red, and blue. So I'm just gonna match the scale underneath so that it coincides with the actual values, and therefore I know the actual value of my sample. This is what I've understood so far. And I think that's what I'm doing when I'm changing the VPDB or the VSMO values for house to gas in my software. And so as long as I'm getting all those dots clustered at one place, it should be good. It doesn't have to be accurate, but it just has to be super precise. It's like precision over accuracy. As long as they're clustered together, I think I'm good to go. That's what I've sort of understood.